Hey guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. And if this is your first time here, guys, what we do here on this channel is we do a lot of product reviews, tech reviews, live streaming, game streaming, we do DOIs, and a bunch of other stuff that you might want to look into when you're searching through my channel. So stay tuned because I got a lot of great stuff. And while you're at it, you might as well hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you'll get notified every time we drop great videos like this one and anytime we go live, because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out. And while you're at it, you might as well like all my videos, share my videos, and comment on my videos. Why? Because that helps me know that you guys are interested in the stuff that I make, and also gets my channel more exposed, so it lets everybody know not to miss out on what we do here, because they don't want to miss out, just like you're not missing out. Hey guys, are you looking for some awesome and premium service TV? Then you want to come and check out catchontv.com. Once you go here, it'll bring you to this great nice looking website right here. Look at all the stuff they have to offer, and look at this right here. Take a free trial right here. You get to get a free 3-day trial. Check it out. You got so much information, and look at the layout of this website. This website looks so nice, guys. Gives you all the information you need to go ahead and get started. But wait, there's more. Let's go and check out the app itself. Look at the app right here. Look how nice this app is. Like, look at the layout on this, guys. You don't want to miss out. Look at all this stuff they have available for you guys to check out. So much stuff to check out, guys. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. So come and check them out today. All right, guys. So today I did want to show you another great website for all my streamers out there. These are my people that go live streaming for games, TikToks, not TikToks so much, but like YouTube, like regular podcasts, live streams and stuff like this. There's some stuff, especially this is more for my Twitch users, because this is more popular on Twitch, are about creating emotes. You guys know how tedious it is to create emotes. I've created my own emotes before, created like 5 or 6, and it is time consuming. I got this great website that's listed right behind me. I know you can't see anything on there right now, but it's right behind me, and it lets you create a bunch of emotes with one picture. It is an awesome website. All right, it's gonna be like a number about, I think 25, if I'm not mistaken, 25 emotes. So if you choose a different picture again, it's gonna create the same emotes but with the new picture. So all you have to do is upload one of your pictures and it'll create it. I'm gonna demonstrate how it looks, because I have 2 logos. You know, I got one for my Semi2 Tech and one for my Big Brother Junior channels. So, and I use Twitch on both of them. And I also got my Kick, and I got a bunch of other stuff that I use both channels for. So this is going to be good demonstration. Now, if you create it, make sure you have a transparent background. If you don't have a transparent background, you got to go ahead and get one, because it does not look right without a transmitted background, guys. I tried it and it looks horrible. I'll show you what one looks like, just so you see what it looks like when you don't have a transmitted background. And I'll show you how to go get a transmitted background if you have a logo. Because let's say you have a solid color behind your logo that's black, blue, red, whatever, you need to remove that. Easiest way to do is go to Photoshop, hit the magic eraser, and just erase the background. Very simple. But let's say you have your logo in front of like a multicolor object, then you need to remove it. And on the website tells you how to do it. Not really how to do it, but where to go to remove that background if you want to. So let's go and shoot myself down, and I can show you this website I'm talking about, guys. It's a good website. So we're at the website, and when you want to come to this website, all you have to do is go to makeemoji.com. So makeemoji.com, and it'll bring you right here on this website. And if you don't have an image for yourself yet, you can click on one of these preset images here if you want. Let's say I want to do The Rock. He's right here. I want to click on The Rock. So right now he's set here, and this is the image I'm using. Now here you have different filters that you could do. You could change the color. Don't really know what this color is for, but you can mess around with it. I do normal. It doesn't really matter for me. And then you got the speed. You got slow, normal, and fast. We're gonna go slow because I like slower, because these emojis move so fast. I'll leave it normal so you can see what it looks like when I'm doing it. And then you got direction, either up, down, left, right. Simple, not much to it. Once you pick all that, you hit reset all filters, or just change it, and then if you scroll down, you see the rock picture that we pick up here. It comes out here. You get all these here, guys. Look at this. So if I open this one up, if I want this one, I click on it and it downloads. Very, very simple. But I'm not going to do that because you see how it is. So you get 25 emotes here. Now, if I change the picture, it's going to give me the same type of emotes with my picture on there. So it's going to be the same 25 type of emotes. But this is for people that don't want to create because it is tedious. I did create one, like 5, like I said earlier. I did create 5 for my YouTube channel, for my channel rewards. And that took some time. And I did the lazy way too, but still it took me time because I still had to create it differently. And so it is time consuming. This, if you want to make quick ones real quick, if you create it on your channel, if you're not good with Photoshop or anything, this is a great way to have emotes on your thing, so you don't have to worry about it later down the road. And this is awesome, in my personal opinion. All right, so this is the default one. I could choose another one. Let's say I want to go to this Bitcoin one. It'll change everything to Bitcoin. You see how fast this is moving? That's what the speed's for. So you see how this hand petting thing here is fast? That's normal speed. So I want to slow it down. If I slow it down a little bit, but see how this one's a lot slower that you can see, which is awesome. I think that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload one of my logos on here, and as you notice, they all have transparent backgrounds. So we're gonna click on choose file. And actually, I already created some just to test out. So I'm going to show files. And I'm going to go to my Big Brother Junior logo. So I'm going to pick on this one. I think this will be the best one to use. This is my latest one, the one I use right now for all of my channels. Well, for all my Big Brother Junior stuff. I'm going to click on that. Click on it. Once I click on it, it automatically converts everything here for me. So let's say I wanted to get this jammy one right here. I click on this jammy one. Open it up. And look at it. Look how cool that thing is. I think that's pretty cool. An emote that you can put in your Twitch. That's awesome. So let's do another one. I have a whole bunch because I've been testing around with it. Let's say I want to do this one on fire. Click on this fire one. Open it up. And boom. Look, I'm on fire. Alright. So I've showed you with this one. So let's see what happens when you do not put a transparent background. I'm going to choose one of these. I'm going to change the logo again. I'm going to go to show file. I'm going to go to, let's go, let's go to my channel art. And then, yeah, why didn't it go to my art? All right, so right here, I have this logo here. This is what I use first. But this is my Bitmoji text messages self icon. So that's what I have. So I'm going to use this one right here. So see how it has no transparent background, it has a blue background. It doesn't look right. See how you see it doesn't look that great. It looks pretty shitty in my personal opinion. So I click on the jammy one and I open it up. Look how shitty it looks. Doesn't look more realistic. At least, I mean, yeah, the other one doesn't look realistic, but at least it looks better than this one. It's just a square going around. Doesn't look right. So if you want to remove the background, you don't have a clean background, a transparent background, go right here. Try using remove background. I did a video on this website. I'll remove any background from a picture on this website. It's really, really awesome. So you click on here. It'll take you over to the website. And then you just upload the image you want to have a transparent background on. And boom, you upload image. And then download the new one. It's going to download it automatically as a PNG. That's the only way it'll give you a transparent background. And boom, there you guys go. I've done a review on this. If you haven't seen it, go into my video logs and you'll see one in there. It's very easy to use. I'm going to go back to making emotes. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Semi2Tech logo because why not? I did the Big Brother Junior. Let's do Semi2Tech. All right. Let's see. Where do I have that one listed? Because I do have a few. Let's see. I think I have it up here. No, I have it over here. All right, so this is my Semi2Tech. I'm gonna click on this one. As you see, my logo came up here, and then I got different emotes here that I can use. So let's say I want to use this one right here, the Nanya cat. All right, open that one. Look how that looks pretty cool. It's something to add to your thing, just very simple. So really, that's it, guys. That's all I have to show you. This is really cool. And to download it, all you have to do is click on each one. Let's say I want to download all 25. Just click on each one and let it download. Simple as that, guys. And it'll download to your computer automatically, whatever your default download folder is, and then that's it. And that's it, guys. Really, that's all it is with this website. I think it's a cool little website you can use to create emotes for your Twitch, your YouTube. Here it says you could put it on Slack, and you can even put this on your Discord. Because you know with Discord you could do emote when you're chatting on Discord. Same thing. You could use this. This is really cool. Very simple. Now, if you don't like these, then you have to create your own ones. Again, it is easy. It is very easy. As long as you have Photoshop, I think this is easy to create emotes. It's just very time consuming. This will give you a quick 25 ones that you might be able to use. You might even only use like 4 or 5 of these. That's fine. At least you get some to put on your channel, so you don't have none with emotes. Because I never put emotes on mine, but with this website, I'm just gonna go ahead and put emotes because I know how time consuming it is to create emotes. It is very time consuming. That's why people charge so much. When you ask somebody to create an emote for you, they're like, "Oh, I'll create 10 for like 25 bucks, 30 bucks." You're like, "Oh man, the little tiny pictures is so easy." Then do it yourself. Simple as that. But this is a little quick, easy, free way to do it, and enjoy. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video and never had to show it today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit that subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop reviews like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.